Hello children. In today's computer science session, we are going to revise chapter 1, that is computer, an electronic device. First, let us discuss about uses of computer. Computer is an electronic device. Computer help us to do many things. We can draw pictures, type letters, play games, solve sums, watch movies and cartoons, listen to music. Next, let us learn about working method of man versus computer. A computer works very fast and can do many jobs at the same time. But a man needs more time to do any work as compared to a computer. Next, a computer has a good memory. It never forgets anything that is stored in it. But a man may forget the information stored in his mind. A computer does not make any mistake. A man can make mistakes. A computer cannot take its own decision, but a man can take his own decision. A computer works on a man's order. A man does not need any order to work. A computer does not have any feelings. Example, if you hit a monitor, it does not react. But a man has feelings. For example, if you get hurt, you feel it. Next, let us learn about working of computer. Computer cannot work on its own. We need to give instructions for the computer to work. These are called as data. Different parts of computer do different work. Computer works in 3 basic steps: input, process, output. For example, blunt pencil is an input. Sharpening is the process. Sharp pencil is an output. Let's see in detail. Input. The data and instructions that we enter into a computer are called input. We input data using keyboard and mouse. Process. Working on the data is called processing. The CPU works on data and does all the thinkings and calculations. Output. Output means the final result. When the CPU finishes processing data, the output is displayed on the monitor. Printer and monitor are the most common output devices. Next, let's see some advantages and disadvantages of a computer. Advantages. Teaching. It helps the teacher to get information on any topic on the internet as well as present it nicely. Speed. A computer works very fast without getting tired. Entertainment. It is a good source of entertainment for the children. Calculation. A computer can perform complex calculations without making any mistakes. Electronic presentations. Text and pictures in a computer can be presented in a beautiful way. Moreover, these can be edited whenever needed. Automation. A computer can work in an automatic way. This makes our work less prone to errors. Multitasking. It can do many tasks at the same time. For example, you can listen to music while typing a letter on a computer. Storage capacity. It stores a large amount of information. Disadvantages. Decisions. A computer works on human order as it cannot take its own decisions. Health. Working for a long time on a computer may affect the eyesight and physical growth of the children. Impact on environment. A computer depends on electricity. To generate electricity, a lot of fuel is burnt in power plants that causes pollution. Virus attacks. Your computer system is prone to virus. If attacked, it may not function as desired. Cybercrime. Use of internet may also increase the number of crimes like stealing of data, banking frauds, etc. Costly. It is a costly device. So, I think you all will be clear about this electronic device. Great children, revise all the topics in this chapter. I have a task for you. Ma'am will be sending you a worksheet. Try to answer all the questions and send me the responses. See you in next class. Bye children.